Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new fall DIYs to share with you that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this thankful sign that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it white. Now I'm just going to use a Sharpie to outline my sign. And guys, this step is optional, so if you want to skip this, it's fine. These blue pearl stickers are from Dollar Tree. And here's what it looks like, guys. I just added a bow that I already had, and yeah, what do you guys think? Next up, I'm going to be taking this pumpkin that I've used in previous DIYs. It's originally from the Goodwill, so what I've done is just soaked off the previous decorations, and now I'm going to get ready to paint it, and I'll be painting it with just some white paint. But first I'm going to remove this leaf here. I just think it's seen better days. I'll be using these beautiful blue roses that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is just pop the heads off as well as the flower petals, and then I'm just going to hot glue them to the top of the pumpkin. Again, I'll be using these blue pearls from Dollar Tree. And here is DIY number 2. I really love this one. What do you guys think? For my last DIY, I'm going to be taking this styrofoam pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I'll be painting it with this metallic blue paint. Right here, you just see me preparing to glitter out the stem of my pumpkin. I'll be using this gold leaf specialty glitter that I had left over from a previous project. These beautiful large maple leaves are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be removing the clip on the back of it. Off camera, I'm going to carefully hot glue the leaf to the pumpkin. And here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 3 new fall DIYs that you can try today. I'll be back on Tuesday at 6 p.m. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.